Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Cassandra and I wanted to let you guys know that I have a brand new series exclusive to my Yoga with Cassandra mobile app. This is a Yin to Yin chakra series, meaning we are going to do Yin to Yin styles of yoga. So the first half of each class is going to be vinyasa and the second half of the class is going to end in Yin yoga. There are 7 classes in total that take you through each of the 7 chakras. So we have 1 practice per chakra. They are long, full-length classes, and these really help to combine both of my favorite styles of yoga. So vinyasa is a wonderful way to build up stamina, increase endurance, really increase your strength overall, your flexibility, and to link movement with breath. And then Yin yoga is a passive style of yoga where we hold poses for 2 to 5 minutes. Great for your joints, your connective tissues, also really wonderful for your nervous system. Yin to Yin chakra series is all about taking our practice beyond just the physical poses, beyond just asana. This is a way to deepen our connection to ourselves by layering in not just the physical, but also the emotional, the mental, and the energetic. So diving deep into our practices with asana, with breath work, with meditation, and tackling these themes from the root chakra going all the way up to the crown chakra. These are themes that we all encounter in our lives. So root chakra has to do with safety, security, and belonging. Sacral chakra is all about sensuality and creativity. Solar plexus is about confidence, willpower, self-esteem. Heart chakra is about love, compassion, understanding, and empathy. Throat chakra is about balancing, listening with speaking, your communication skills. Third eye is about your perception, perspective, imagination, and intuition. And crown chakra is your connection to a higher power and the dissolution of your ego. So these are powerful themes that we can work with, and we can work on them just by getting on our mats and flowing together. So if you like vinyasa, if you like yin yoga, if you like chakras, this is definitely a wonderful series for you to try out. You can find all 7 classes on my Yoga with Cassandra mobile app. So you can either just head to the App Store on your phone, search for Yoga with Cassandra and download it there, or you can just click the link down below in the description box in order to sign up. The app is super affordable, and we do have a free 7-day trial. So within the app, you'll find all of the classes that you find here on YouTube, as well as plenty of other content that cannot be found on YouTube. You can only access it on my mobile app. We also have a really nice scheduling calendar, as well as a journal within the app that really helps you kind of track your progress, stay accountable, and really stay on track with your practice. And then you also have the ability to download videos so that you can watch them offline. There are no ads like there are on YouTube. So all in all, it's just like a better user experience. I hope you'll decide to join me if you love Yin to Yin and if you love chakra themed classes. I think this is going to be right up your alley, and I look forward to practicing with you soon. Thank you so much. Namaste.